Ayo boss, and welcome back. Today Chef's going to show us how to make some cheesy ranch chicken fingers. Wait a minute, chickens don't have fingers, these are chicken tenders. Well, whatever you want to call it, these are all natural, no artificial ingredients, flavors, colors, beautiful. Chef's going to show us how to fry them as well as oven bake them. So two different kind of styles. Try them both and pick the one you like. They both turned out really great, had a great crunchy outside, juicy inside, and we're going to show you how to really easily prepare these. Let's get cooking. So Chef has some chicken tenderloin strips from the supermarket. They're fresh, and these have already been cut into the strips by the supermarket, which is why he likes to use these. They have the same taste as a chicken breast. So put these in a bowl, and Chef has about 14 of them because he's doing them both different styles. Next, go ahead and pour some buttermilk over top. And don't forget, the ingredients will be down below. And then add a packet of ranch dressing, the powder kind, and mix these thoroughly. The buttermilk's going to really soften up the chicken. So what Chef's going to do is he's going to put these in his fridge overnight. However, you can do about 2 to 4 hours, but overnight preferably. And they sat overnight. Here they are, getting ready to go. That buttermilk's going to soften that chicken up. Go ahead and take your favorite cheese cracker or chip, Chef's using some crackers, and just put them in a bag and kind of break them up and make them into crumbs. You can also use a processor like this, but you want those small crumbs. And then go ahead and just place the chicken in the bag and get those all worked around. If it's not working, put the crumbs in like a small dish if you're having trouble with the bag. Next, these are all going to go in the oven around 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. And we're going to flip them halfway. Good time to get our oil up to 350 degrees. And what Chef's going to do is he's going to put the chicken, he's going to fry in the fridge for about 10 or 15 minutes just to let all that cheesy crackers kind of adhere. It's been about 10 minutes, so Chef's going to now flip his oven baked chicken. Put those back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, our oil's up to par, so we're going to slowly drop our chicken in. You want the oil to be cooking at around 300 to 320 degrees, so keep the heat on a little bit and monitor as you drop the chicken in. It will cool the oil off. After about 6 minutes or so, or at 165 degrees, chicken is cooked, so go ahead and pull those out and let them drain. Chef has his oven cooked chicken out, as you can see, and now he's plating up his fried chicken. As you can see, the fried chicken on the right has a darker color. That flash fry really cooks them a little bit faster. Chef's going to go ahead now and place his ranch dressing in. And he's going to cut one of these for everyone because I know people have been asking him to cut the food. So there you go, all white meat. It looks really juicy. They cut easily and they had a great flavor. We hope everyone enjoyed them. As you can see, the fried ones are up front. The oven ones are in the back. They came out really delicious. And we definitely hope you guys try this out. It wasn't that hard, very simple to make. Have some fun with it. Make homemade chicken fingers for your kids. Remember, these are a lot healthier. We use all natural ingredients. So definitely thanks for checking us out. We're not going to make you subscribe, but hell, if you do, we'd love it. Don't forget, cooking should be fun, everyone. Have fun doing it. They're chicken tenders, not chicken fingers.